Hello, this is Mama's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make chocolate cake. It's going to be thin cake with thick frosting. Okay, I've got a cup and 3/4 of flour and a teaspoon of salt in here. Also, 1½ teaspoons baking soda and 1½ teaspoon baking powder. Then I've got 2 cups of sugar. Half a cup of cocoa. I'm going to stir all the dry ingredients together here. Okay, I'm going to add a cup of milk. Start stirring a little bit. And I'm going to add 2 eggs. I'm going to put 2 eggs in. Okay, I'm going to stir it up. And I'm going to get a half a cup of oil and put in. Okay, I'm putting in a half a cup of oil. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of vanilla in, last same. Okay, I'm going to beat it on medium for 2 minutes, scraping the side a few times. Got it mixed here. I'm going to put in a cup of boiling water. Get that all stirred in and they'll be ready to put it in the pan. When you get it stirred in, it's going to be really thin dough. Okay, we're going to grease it all over. Be pretty liberal with it. All around the bottom and then halfway up the sides. Okay, I just put a tablespoon of the flour. Then we're just going to shake it all around and get it to stick in all the areas possible. Okay, I'm going to pour it in the pan now. We're going to put it in the oven at 350 for 27 minutes. Okay, now we're going to make the frosting. I got 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1/3 of a cup of cocoa. Mix that together. Okay, I'm going to put in 1/3 of a cup of milk, half a cup of butter. I use this Land O'Lakes butter with canola oil in it, like 10%. Seems like it makes the frosting have a sheen. Okay, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Stir it up, get the sides good, and then we'll mix it. Okay, we're going to beat it now until we get all the lumps out of it. Miss Mallory's going to work it. You gotta go up here. Okay, do that and hold your bowl in the other hand. Got it on high. I'm going to frost it here. cake.